Hi everyone, welcome to this video and how to go about rebuilds and restorations at Pon Steyn. I'm Stefan, Operations Manager at Pon Steyn, and I'll be taking you through the process step by step. Step 1. Initial consultation. The first step in any rebuild or restoration project is to have an initial consultation with our team. During this consultation, we'll discuss your vision for the project, any specific requirements you may have, and any concerns or challenges that we encounter during this process. This is also a great opportunity for you to ask any questions you may have and get to a better understanding of what to expect. Step 2. The original vehicle. The next step is for us to conduct a thorough inspection of your vehicle. If it is a restoration of your personal vehicle, this inspection will help us identify any potential issues such as rust, corrosion, mechanical problems that need to be addressed. It will also help us to determine the extent of the restoration work that needs to be done. For full rebuilds, we can source you a donor vehicle to fit your requirements regarding your vision for the project. Step 3. Proposal and agreement. Based on the information gathered during the initial consultation and vehicle inspection, we'll provide you with a detailed proposal that outlines the scope of the work, timeline, costs, and payment plan involved in the project. Once you're happy with the proposal, we'll proceed to the next step, which is agreement. During this stage, specifications and accessories play a major role in the build. Here we can accommodate various suggestions that you may have, combined with our recommendations based on previous builds. And remember that there are endless options we can help you with. Step 4. In-house services. At Pon Steyn, we offer a range of in-house services to support your rebuild and restoration project. These services include mechanical repairs, welding and fabrication, panel beating, spray painting, upholstery, and more. By having these services available in-house, we can ensure that your project is complete to the highest possible standard. Before we continue, if you're looking to restore your 4x4 vehicle, then look no further than Pon Steyn. Our team of experts has the skills and experience to bring your vehicle back to life, whether you need a complete rebuild or just a partial restoration. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest videos and content from Pon Steyn, and follow us on our social media handles for regular updates on our latest projects. Let's get back to the video. Step 5. Disassembly and cleaning. Now that we have signed an agreement, we'll begin the process of disassembling your vehicle. This is an important step as it allows us to identify any additional issues that may not have been apparent during the initial inspection. We'll also thoroughly clean all parts and components that we will be reusing. Step 6. Repairs and replacements. Once the disassembly is complete, we'll begin the process of repairing and replacing any parts or components that need it. This may involve sourcing new parts, repairing existing parts, or fabricating custom parts as needed. Step 7. Restoration and reassembly. With all repairs and replacements complete, we'll begin the process of restoring and reassembling your vehicle. This involves reassembling all parts and components, ensuring that everything is aligned and working properly, and making any necessary adjustments. Step 8. Final inspection and testing. Once the restoration and reassembly are complete, we'll conduct a final inspection and testing to ensure that everything is functioning as it should. We'll also take the time to address any final details or concerns that you may have. We'll also welcome any third-party inspection recommended by you or by us. Step 9. Delivery and handover. With the final inspection and testing complete, we'll deliver your vehicle back to you, looking and performing better than ever before. We'll also take the time to walk you through any specific instructions or maintenance requirements that you'll need to know going forward. For international clients, we offer assistance in shipping, entitlement, and clearance. Here are some frequently asked questions that people have about rebuilds and restorations at Pon Steyn. How long does a rebuild or restoration project usually take? The length of a project depends on the extent of the work required. We'll provide you with a timeline during the proposal phase and we'll keep you updated throughout the process. How much does a rebuild or restoration usually cost? The cost of a project depends on a range of factors, including the extent of the work required, the cost of the parts, accessories, extras, and the amount of time. So that's it, folks. a step-by-step guide on how to go about rebuilds, restorations at Pon Steyn. We hope that this video has been informative and has given you a better understanding of the process involved. At Pon Steyn, we take great pride in our work and strive to ensure that every project we undertake is completed to the highest possible standard. If you are interested in having a rebuild or restoration done on your vehicle, we'd love to hear from you.